Hiya! Today I'm going to teach you how to design your own Celtic design. You will be amazed at how creative you can be. Now what I suggest you do is you actually watch all this little video bit right the way through, then dash off and get your own little bits of paper, fabric, anything else that you think you might need, then turn it back on again and do it step by step, turning your computer on and off as you go. Okay, so that's my suggestion. This is a true Celtic design, and in this part of the world, and I'm talking England, Scotland, Ireland, Wales, Celtic design tends to be really curvy and smooth, and it's surprising how many times you can actually iron that down and take it off and iron it down and take it off and iron it down and take it off. It is absolutely amazing stuff, it really is.